In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Zivame discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Zivame discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Grab On, and as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So, for example, right here, if you want to get this 45% discount and a free shipping, all you need to do is simply select right here, get the get deal option. And for this one, as you can see, there is no code required. You'll be redirected to the website automatically right here. And the promo code will be applied automatically so that you can get the discount and also the free shipping. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this Coupons Guru website as well. And as you can see right here, you also have a list with some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this extra 20% discount right here, all you need to do is select get this coupon from right here. And this is the promo code, as you can see, that you can copy and you can apply that promo code in order to get the discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.